course, no one will ever forget the performance against Barcelona. And hopefully a few people forget the performance today, because it wasn't their best. But it doesn't matter, because they're going to get their hands on that trophy for the 6th time. It's an amazing achievement.
It was a bit of a shame that it wasn't a more exciting game in many ways. It wasn't the best advert for an all-English final. It kind of, at times, looked like an old First Division match from the mid-90s, or 80s, I should say.
I've never seen two Premier League sides make so many unforced errors and mistakes. First half particularly, it was very, very poor. There was a reaction from Spurs, to be fair. They reacted in the second half, and they got hold of the ball, they had the momentum of the game, and to play a side that didn't play well against you and still lose 2-0, that's a problem in a final.
Okay, well, they're getting ready now. Of course, the players moving forward. The losing side first, Tottenham Hotspur go ahead. So let's rejoin Darren Fletcher.
Thank you, Gary. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it, for Tottenham Hotspur, written off so many times in the Champions League this season. They reflect on Christian Eriksen's goal against Inter, Lucas Moura's heroics, of course, in Barcelona and Amsterdam, and of course the drama of the VAR in Manchester. And you've got to spare a thought for those Tottenham Hotspur players tonight, Jermaine, who came here with such hopes and expectations, but take the loser's medal from the UEFA president, Alexander Seferin, who's up there handing them out on the podium.
Yeah, look, I feel for them. They've been brilliant, especially within this competition, and this won't feel nice. And these are the types of moments that, there's a young team, this Tottenham team, but walking by this trophy, it will sit with them, and hopefully it lights a fire, for them to want to come back to this stage and do it all again and lift that, because, I agree with Glenn. I thought tonight they were the better side, but unfortunately Liverpool had the ability to get it over the line, and by not playing well.
It's a walk that the Liverpool players made themselves 12 months ago. They walked past the trophy on the way out and couldn't touch it, and they walked past it to pick up losers' medals at the end of the match and couldn't touch it, and it was an inspiration for them throughout the season. And we know for sure that Tottenham will be in the Champions League next season. They've qualified by right through the Premier League, but it's not their night.